Hello. Is it audible? Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
So please make me presenter. I have make you a organizer. Can you do you know that how to make me presenter?
No. How?
Uh, is there any something like a option there is that three persons are joined?
Three
Something like
persons
a
on.
chat. There is something like a chat, and inside that there is something three
Let me
people.
check.
People. Any option of people?
Yes.
So
Yes.
click on
Attendee.
that. Click on that. There is
Okay.
something like Aman. That attend is one. Aman.
Aman.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Click on that.
Okay.
So there will be option that make organizer.
Make organizer. Yes.
Yes, make me organizer now.
Hello.
I hope my screen is visible.
Not yet. Yeah,
Now,
it's visible. Yes.
okay. So that the thing that I was saying that if now here you can see out the value of I is 2. 2 is my
Hmm.
even number. And
Even
if there
number.
is any even number, you have to add 1 in A. So now what will be the current value of A? That will
Two.
be 1. 0 plus 1,
One.
that will be 1.
Zero plus. Yes. One.
0 plus 1, that will be 1.
Hmm.
If 3 is odd, I is again 4 is even. Again 1
Hmm.
plus 1, that will be 2.
Two.
Okay. Now, then 6, 3, 8, 4. So the last value of A will be 4. That how much even numbers inside my loop? That is 4 even number. Rest are the
Yes.
odd number.
Four
So now
numbers.
let me execute this code. Here you can see out that 50 even numbers are there, 50 odd
50
numbers are
odd
there.
numbers are there. Fine.
Okay.
Hmm.
So the concept that I was saying something like while loop, that what you have to do is you have to count that how much numbers are there. Okay, how
Numbers
much
are there.
time your loop is going
Loop
to
work.
execute it. Let's for
Okay.
this is A, this is your this one, that while A is less than equal to, let's for this one, and A plus is equal to this one. So what you have to do is you have to count that how much time my loop is going to execute. What
Mm-hmm.
you have to do is you can take another variable, name
Mm-hmm.
as a C, that will be
C
your 0.
0.
Okay. Whenever it is going to enter your loop, what you have to do is you have to add 1 inside your C.
Mm. Okay.
And last, which value I want
Great.
to point out?
C.
C. The value of
C is
the total or anything the message you can point out. Okay. The total time or the total uh, time your loop is going to execute. Okay. That will be your
C.
C. This. Okay. So this time your loop will be executed.
Okay.
Now we have a keyword name as a break.
Mm.
Inside a Python, we have a keyword name as a break to stop the loop. To
Okay.
stop the loop. Let us suppose I am saying a plus equal to this one. Let's put this one. Okay. If
Mm.
your a is equal to this, let
Mm.
us suppose I am saying that hey, a is equal to 0,
Mm.
while okay a is less than equal to 10, a.
Why whenever you type while automatically pass comes?
That is the syntax. That is my this the way I'm writing the code, that is automatically detecting that will be the syntax of a while loop.
Okay.
Pass we will also discuss about the pass as well. that
Okay.
what the pass is.
Okay.
Okay, so here I am discussing about the keyword name as a break.
Mm.
I am saying that hey, if value of a is equal to 5, what you have to do is you have to break the loop. My loop is going to break out. Okay,
Mm.
otherwise what you have to do is you have to print out the value of a, value of 5, sorry, value of a, print the value of a is comma a. At the end, what I'm going to do is here that a plus is equal to 1. Okay, so I am saying that a is 0, while a is less than equal to 10, it is going to increment the value of 1. Okay,
Yes.
if the value of a will become 5, what you have to do is you have to break out the loop. You have to
Okay.
break out the loop.
Mhm. Okay. Then it means it will not execute
Yes.
after 5.
After this, here you can see out. Whenever the value of a will become 5, it is going to break out from the loop. It is going to stop the loop. It is going to stop the loop.
When instead of using break, we can assign 10 in while means 5.
You can also say like a is equal to 11. Sorry, a is equal to 11. Both are the same thing.
Okay.
Either you can use the keyword, either you can use the logic something like that a
Okay.
is 11. Just what you have to do is you have to break the condition.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is something like a pass. Pass means nothing.
Mm.
Okay, pass means nothing. Nothing
Okay.
in the sense of that nothing you have to do. Like we are what you have to do, let's suppose I am giving you a parcel and I'm saying you that hey, please pass it to him. Okay, this
Okay.
same case, this pass is something like that you have to pass it. Nothing is there, you have to move further. Okay,
Okay.
pass means move further. Doesn't make any process. Break is to break out the loop. Pass is move ahead. Not an
Mm.
issue here. Nothing to perform.
Okay.
Okay, so here you can see out I am using pass. It is not going to perform any functionality. Here your loop is properly working here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you got the point of the loop. This is about
Yes.
the loop.
It's
Okay.
I got it. Yes.
Okay. So now what you have to do is each and everything. See, I was not available in our last two sessions. I hope so.
Yes.
And
Yes.
you were also not available from the
I
last
will
two
be
sessions.
last
So,
to yes.
okay.
Yes.
So I hope so from last 4 days we are not conducting any session. I can
Yes.
move ahead, but the thing is that you don't have any prior knowledge. You don't have any background knowledge of a C or C++, a most
Yes.
fine knowledge about that. So it is
Yes.
you will find some difficulties to getting the point.
Yes.
Okay,
So
I am
that's why
seeing.
I work on every program you give example of.
Hmm. Okay, so that is the thing that I am see if I execute one more code today, one more concept today,
Yeah,
this
it will be
loop will
true.
be skipped. This loop will be
Yes.
skipped from your mind. Okay,
Yes.
so I am ending my session here. Okay,
Okay.
you have to make more and more practice on a loop. Either you can check the videos on a YouTube as well, not an issue. Okay,
Okay.
but the thing is that the concept will be clear in your mind. If you got any queries, you can ask me on a next session. That will be tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow we are also going to take the session at same time,
Okay.
8 p.m.
Okay.
IST.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow I will be there.
Okay.
I hope you got the concept of the loop. Make
Yes.
practice
Yes.
on that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
fine, no, we'll meet you tomorrow at same time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.